Who's that you got there? Can you help with your coat? So we just got home from JCPenney where I got myself a pair of shoes. But we also saw this Dumbo. Well, she had to have because she loved Dumbo. Who is that, Ainsley?
Bubble.
Is that Dumbo?
Bubble.
Yeah. Do you like him? Where'd he go? Where's Dumbo? Where's Dumbo? There he is. There he is. Do you love Dumbo? Can you give Dumbo a kiss? Give him a kiss. Mwah. Good girl. Look, you don't have enough stuffed animals. You have to have Dumbo. You like Dumbo? Can you give Dumbo a hug? Can you give him a big hug? Oh, yeah. You're so sweet. Can you say hi, Dumbo?
Hi, Bubble.
Say love you, Dumbo.
Oh, thank you, Bubble. Bubble, yes.
Can you say thank you, Wee Wee?
Bubble.
Right.
Hi, Bubble.
Flies high in the sky. That's right. Dumbo flies high in the sky. Swishes down and gives you hugs and loves.
Bubble, here's this.
Mwah.
No. Oh, yes.
Bye. There's Dumbo.